my name's Robert Caruso. I'm the CEO and founder of BundlePost, and we are a social media technology. And the story about where BundlePost came from is an interesting one. So I've been in social media for quite some time. We had a social media agency, and we continued to scale and grow. We did work for clients all around the world. And since we're not going to obviously have visual, I'll just give you the story and explain what it does. How's that?
Oh, there we go. There you go.
Awesome. providing we can get connected.
Well,
Welcome to my world. Exactly. So while we're booting up here, so we were an agency. As we continued to grow and scale, it was really apparent. Has anyone here done social media marketing? Are you doing social media marketing? Okay. If you're doing social media marketing, you know it's incredibly time intensive, okay? A lot of time. And what I tried to quantify while we were an agency was, where are we spending all of our time? And what I discovered really kind of scared me. So we were spending 80% of our time searching, finding, editing, scheduling, hashtagging, and posting relevant, valuable content. Oftentimes you might hear this called curation, okay, in social media. So it's sharing stuff that's interesting, relevant, and valuable to your audience, not the stuff that's about you, okay? It's about an 80-20 mix is where you should be. So we're spending 20% of our time eating, sleeping, and driving ROI for those clients, okay? So there's a big, big problem. So my attempt was, okay, I have 7 patents on internet tech. I could probably design something that would help us be pretty efficient. So we did. And let's try restore. Cross fingers. I don't think I'm connected here. All right, so gotta love that sound. So anyways, we designed some technology that really flipped that paradigm for us. And frankly, it worked so well that after 2 weeks, we were a company of 8. We dropped 3 employees. We could handle 80% more clients, and the metrics went up on every single client we managed. Okay? So we were doing a hell of a lot more with less resources, and we became very, very effective. So based on my background in tech, I went, we're going to be a software company in about a year. So there we went. So this is BundlePost. So I'm going to run you through it real quick since I have 5 minutes, and I've probably already burned 4 of those. So let's roll. So when you get into BundlePost, you simply, providing you've already set up everything in the system, you just hit export, and you're going to select from a schedule you've already created for a specific account. For example, I'll go down to, you guys can all find me at Fondalo on Twitter. So here's my actual Twitter schedule that the team and I use. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to tell the system, when do I want to start managing content for my stream, posting. And from here, I'm going to select from any number of feed channels I've put in the system. So topically, what is my audience interested in? They're interested in the off the beaten path information, articles, news about social media, not the Mashable stuff that everyone shares, right? But the off the beaten path stuff. So I could have Google alerts, Bing alerts, YouTube searches, etc. And BundlePost goes out and aggregates that content for you. So I'm going to just grab a quick alert. I'm going to grab 5 posts from this stream. You notice we're bringing that content in on a daily basis. I'm going to move it over to the export table where it's automatically now scheduling it for the 18th, 4:15, 5, all the way through. Okay? I can grab content from multiple channels. Here's our blog. It's automatically going to assign attribution to this blog. Who's it by? Every post. And I'm going to move that over to the export table. Every time I bring content from a different source, it's a different color. I don't have to guess what's a different source, what's a different topic. It's automatically color coding it for me. I can grab content from numerous different feed sources. And I control all of this. So what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is nothing goes out to my stream unless I say so. So I can view each one of these posts, make sure it's something I do want to share and it's going to be interesting to my audience. If it's not, I kill it. Okay? So complete control. Since we have a slow bandwidth, I will. Okay, so you can see it comes up. I can drag and drop. I want to mix these up. I don't want to talk about one source or one topic and then another topic for a day and another topic for a day and our stuff for a day. I want to mix all this up. So I can randomize all of this content. It's going to color code it for me. I can drag and drop and fine tune it. Okay? Hashtagging. We know hashtags are extremely effective in social media and social media marketing. We don't do it consistently because it takes too much time. So part of our patent is we automatically hashtag 100 posts in 1 second. So we've determined what are the keywords and phrases. So even like, social space media, what are those keywords and phrases we want our system to find? And what's the replacement hashtag we want it to automatically insert? Or what's the company name that we want the system to find that's going to be in the text of a post? And what's our replacement social account name? So in 1 second, I'm just going to go, boom. Might take a little bit more here. And it's automatically now hashtagged all this. You'll notice strategy right here. All the way through. Social space media is now hashtag social media. I don't have to remember. It's done. Okay? I can bring content. This is where it gets powerful. So you can have content repositories. So every time I do an interview, every time a news organization writes an article about us or any of those things, we save those posts in here. We never guess. What do we have to share about us? Okay? They're all here. So I can come in and grab the most recent posts from here, move them over. I'm automatically talking about us in our stream and providing value to our audience, but it's not our voice, it's somebody else's. Make sense? All my quotes we used to manage in spreadsheets. They're all in here now. I want 10 of them. Move them over. I'm done. So I'm going to manage 5 days of content instead of hours a day, if you're doing this right. 20 posts a day on Twitter, 8 posts a day on LinkedIn, on and on. You guys hopefully heard that before. But you're going to spend 20 minutes about every 4 or 5 days. So the time you spend on social media is now not managing content, figuring out what to post. It's building relationships, engaging in conversations, and driving ROI. Okay? So we integrate with multiple platforms, Hootsuite, HubSpot, Spreadfast, big brands, Sendable, Plugio, Social Oomph, and Buffer. You bring it out of BundlePost, bring it into there, and go right back to what you're doing. Okay? Multiple other things, based on time, I won't show you. Let me show you a case study. Okay, so there's 2 things that we do. So we make you way more efficient and effective at what you're doing and profitable. So what does that look like? So one of our clients is one of the largest competitors to Rosetta Stone. This is their words when they sent us a case study I didn't even know they were doing. We got this a few months ago. We've seen a 65% increase in traffic to our website from Facebook since we started using BundlePost. Even more impressive is the 263% increase in traffic coming from Twitter. That's BundlePost.
Awesome.
Questions? Was that quick enough?
That's awesome.
All right, cool. Sorry for the rough start, guys. Any questions? Yes, sir.
So when you met the devil at the crossroads, what encouraged you to think of hashtags as that, and have you encountered any resistance in terms of like turning every sort of lexical unit into a hashtag in a tweet? Because I find that to be off-putting. Reading a Twitter stream.
Sure.
Can you repeat the question?
Yeah, I think anything can. Let me repeat that question for you. I believe what you're saying is, does your hashtag system suck or not? Okay, so anything can be done overdone, right? So the idea is you're going to hashtag words or phrases that are important to your target audience. That's it. It's that simple, okay? If there's certain hashtags you want to include, like SMM, hashtag SMM, social media marketing, okay? I'm going to, in feeds, identify that from, like, for example, a Google alert I know is covering that content, okay? So I don't have to worry about it. Make sense? So anything can be overdone. But if you're doing social media right, you're probably not overdoing that. Cool. Any other questions?
What are the subscriptions cost?
Great question. So right now we have 3 products, and let's show you. So we have a personal account, it's 20 bucks a month. Expanded, 50, and Pro is 100. Real simple. Pro is unlimited everything. So these are AT&T's entire HR group uses BundlePost as a Pro account. Social media agencies, larger brands, or marketers, okay? Expanded is great for local restaurant or realtor. Great example. Personal is what it is, okay? So you're just getting rolling with your social media marketing. You need the efficiency and effectiveness in place. It's 20 bucks a month. So you can have a couple streams, feed channels, a couple schedules, and we also have what we call the bundle it. So you come across a piece of content that's great, you want it in BundlePost, you pop it, tell it what queue you want it to go to, submit, it's in BundlePost. Next time you need to export content, you're on to the next thing. It's going to hashtag it then, you don't have to worry about it.